Hey everybody, John here with Forbes Cybersecurity. A lot of businesses are able to work today because their employees have access to their data. And if you don't have access to your building, but you have access to your data, you're able to keep your employees safe by doing work from home and not put them into conditions where close to a foot of snow could put them in danger. We know not every business has this luxury, but a lot of them do. And we have thousands of employees working at home today that are able to securely access their data and get working. But let me ask you this scenario. A lot of companies are prepared for extreme weather conditions, but we find out that they're not prepared for cybersecurity events at all. And what if you had your employees show up to work on a beautiful day, it's 70 degrees outside and pretty, but you don't have access to any of your data because it's all been encrypted by a hacker? Do you have the things necessary to make sure that your employees continue to function their business? Or have you done the things in place better off to make sure that that scenario doesn't happen in the first place? To have the segmentation you need on your networks, to have the security policies in place and the things to identify and protect your network so that if something does happen and that user clicks on an attachment, that the bad guys aren't able to go through and take you down and make it so, yeah, you have access to your office, but you don't have access to your data. And so we see this scenario play out a lot when we'll ask people if they have inclement weather plans, and they do. But then we ask them if they have an incident response plan, and they don't at all. And it's really part of being prepared for your business is preparing for that worst. You do it for inclement weather. Now let's make sure we get it done for cybersecurity as well. Give us a call. We can get this set up for you, 513-494-4444. We can go through those questions and make you better prepared and make your business better prepared and function better.